I'm going to demonstrate another maraca technique using two different maracas. Now, we've already talked about playing straight time on one maraca. Now, I'm basically just kind of finding the pulse and playing that in the air. What I'm going to do with the other maraca is double some of those notes. For example, every other note. Gives you a fuller sound, gives you really a whole lot more to listen to. And you can do that every 4 notes. That would be as if you were playing quarter notes on one hand and 16th notes on the other. There's quarter notes and 16th notes. Depending on the time signature you're playing in, you could play on the first of every 3. And there's just some basic examples of what you can do on the maracas for just laying down different textures or laying down 2 pulses at the same time.